That's why your phone takes so long to charge and is always plugged in. Cell phones technicians don't want you to know this, because of course they want you to buy a new battery. And the worst part is that this could be happening to your device and you don't even realize it. So watch until the end and stop being deceived. Also, in this video, I'm gonna show you a secret cell phone code that companies don't tell you about. So for the first tip, do the following. Whenever you charge your device, first remove the case. If you charge your phone with the case on, you're doing it wrong and putting yourself in great danger. This is because when your device is charging, it heats up a lot and the case will cause the device to heat up even more. And that's why your phone takes too long to charge and also dies quickly. But if you try this and the problem persists, don't worry, I'll teach you how to fix it. Just do the following. Look for the App Store on your device. Then search for battery repair. Click on this app and then press install. Now wait until the app is installed. Then open the app. As soon as it opens, you see this screen with a lot of little squares. This app's job is to check for battery errors and fix them. So go ahead and click on Start. Then it's gonna perform the check and possible repairs. When it's done, press OK. Now plug in the charger and then check and correct any faults. With the charger connected, it's gonna detect and correct any charging faults, making your phone battery work again as it should. Once the process is done, here you can see that the battery health is now in good conditions. And so your device will stop heating up and will be able to hold the charger for much longer. After I did this process on my device, the battery started lasting all day, even with heavy use. Now I'll show you a hidden code on your phone. This code will restore the worn out battery, making it last much longer. To do this, open your phone's dialer and press *#9900 and hash. It's gonna open this menu with some internal information. Look for the option Battery Reset. Just click it and it's gonna start a battery reset. By doing this, you reset your phone's worn out battery. Then it should work properly again, which also includes lasting much longer. I'm sure that by following these steps, your damaged and malfunctioning battery can be restored. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments which of these tips were most useful to you and which ones you didn't know before. Thanks for watching and I see you guys in the next video.